Aaron's record a smash. Hey, Aaron, leave a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Good morning, Aaron. Anthony. Sorry, I have to contact you about the maps. Mrs. Allen can't find the map of Africa. She said you had it on Saturday. Call me back. Hey, Aaron, leave a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Hello, Aaron. She is Janice. Just telling you to watch for Miss Allen when you get back. She said you've been absent from work every Wednesday and very second Saturday, and it's getting to be a bit of a bad habit. Anyway, have a fantastic holidays. Hey, Aaron, leave a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Aaron, Anthony. Sorry, I have to let you know what's happening at the travel agency. Well, the computer has crashed and you had it on the back of any advertising programs. Miss Allen, very angry. You absolutely have to phone back or send a message with your fax number. Hey, Aaron, leave a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Janet here. Anthony said to tell you the best advertising contract against Mrs. Allen said it was your best management. No, Aaron, you just have to call back. Aaron works at the other travel agency. He's on holiday in Amsterdam. His boss is Mrs. Allen. Aaron left an anchovy and salad sandwich on his desk. He had to contact Anthony about the map of Africa he had on Saturday. Aaron had a bad habit of being absent from work. Aaron booked a passenger to San Salvador with 3 animals, an theater, an antelope, and alligator. The computer had crashed and Aaron hadn't done the backup for the advertising programmers. Miss Allen is very angry. The bad advertising contracts have been cancelled because of Aaron's bad manager. Aaron does have to come back to the travel agency because he's been sacked. What kind of animals did this Aaron book on the San Salvador flight? And theater, and antelope, and alligator. He booked a theater as well as an antelope and also an alligator. What were two of the mistakes Aaron made before he went on holidays? The map, the backup. He lost the map and he didn't do the backup. Whoever was that? The travel agency. Anthony, Miss Allen. Well, they Anthony, and then there's Miss Land.